Hey guys, it's Cautious Gamer here, and today we're gonna play some Minecraft. Roll the intro, Cautious Editor. I'm Cautious Gamer, and I'm gonna show you what it takes to survive in some of the most dangerous places on the game. I got to make it through a series of challenges in the sort of places where you couldn't last a day without the right gaming skills. Now, I'm in Minecraft village with some of the most peaceful mobs in the game. But that doesn't mean that I shouldn't be tangling with some of the most inhospitable terrains in the game. Constant battle with the game's wildlife, where one misplacing of the block or one wrong step could cost you your life. Where every mob wants a piece of you and you're gonna get to them before they get to you. I'm pitting my cautiousness and intelligence against nature and showing you what you need to survive in one of the most popular games known to man. This is Cautious Minecraft with the Cautious Gamer. Hey again guys, so that's the intro. Hope you guys like it. And how's the week going for you guys? Hope you enjoyed your week. And without any further ado, let's get on with it. So let's explore the village and see what we can salvage from the village and how we can treat those villagers. So by the way guys, in this week I have been researching on what kind of biomes are there, what kind of villagers are there. Just a little bit of experimentation. Oh my god, my food is out. So the goal of this episode is guys to find a house. No, to build a house. And I would like to build a house near the shore because I can get sand and many stuff like that. And I can, build a glass house or something like that. It would be pretty epic and cool if if I manage to build a house in the ocean, right guys? So I think these are called villagers and they kind of sound funny. Let me just get near this guy. Hey you, talk to me. Talk to me. Hey you. Yes, talk to me. Come on. He's not gonna talk to me. He's very angry at me. Hey you, how about you talk to me? Hmm? No. Yeah, yes. Thank you. So, I try to improve my accent guys, but it's still not good. I'm working on it. I hope I can get better from now onward. I'm gonna build a little house and live with villagers until I salvage enough materials so that I can continue on my journey. So let's begin. Guys, I have been told and I read that we should not mess with iron golems and that they will kill you. So these iron golems are like what? The protectors of the village. So I think it's best to leave that alone. But it's best source of iron, so most speedrunners go after that. How are you, buddy? You like me? You like me? Look at me, he's looking at me. Okay, I'll leave you. So the goal of today's episode is to find some iron we can salvage. These hay bales here and there. So that hay bales prevent what? Like, so I'm gonna take these hay bales and also we get bread from that. I'm not stealing from these villagers. I'm just borrowing my some resources from these villagers. So I'm just borrowing it. Please don't get mad at me. Is it okay, villager? Villager, come on, villager. Look at him. He's just thinking about farming and nothing else. And also I'm gonna take this wood and replace it with normal wood. I think that nothing gonna happen if you do like that. So no problems and no worries. Let's just get on with it. So guys, I have also learned how to make good editing videos and how to do things much more better. And I would appreciate it if you like my content and leave a comment so that I can know that somebody out there is watching my videos and getting some enjoyment out of it.
So guys, I got a lot of hay bales and I removed them from this location and that location and this location. And
Hey Piggy, how are you? I'm not gonna kill you this episode. I'm not gonna kill animals this episode. I'm gonna be a vegetarian this episode. That's for sure. And also I have prepared some crafting table and a smokers in case I need to eat from the previous meat I have gathered. And time to mine. I'm gonna mine some iron.
I think I found iron here, so that's why I said it. Oh no, I don't have coal, right? I think I have some coal. No, I don't have coal. I need to go and get some coal. Until I gather what I need from this village, I'm not gonna leave this village. That's for sure. So these are torches and they illuminate your area. Yes, I knew about it. And time to go to sleep. I'm sorry, villager. If I had my bed, I would just sleep there. Thank you. Good night. Good night, guys.
Found 3 spots at villagers where I can gain some resources. One is this gigantic big hole, which I decided not to go for now until I get some iron. And the another one are those two what is that called, free spots where I can gather some materials I got. And also I need to mine while keeping a torch straight down so that you won't get gravel, or so the gravel won't fall on you, right? Yeah, I think that's the case. So guys, before I mine this, I got to tell you something. So coal blocks will come at 9 blocks or 11 blocks easily, right? So coal is very much easy to find, and the order of difficulty goes like this: first coal, then iron, then maybe gold, and then lapis lazuli, and then redstone, and after that diamonds, and apparently emerald ores are the rarest in the game. So I don't want any emerald ores since I can do the trading with the villagers and I can get emeralds. Yeah, I have read all about it during this 1 week. I don't think that reading gives that much of experience on the field, and I have to experience it first. But just as a cautious manner, I just have read it. That's it. Let me check. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. Wait. How much coal I got? 38 coal and 14 iron. Damn, that's it. So let's go and melt these items and get fully stacked iron armor. After that, we're gonna go for diamonds, of course. But first, what I'm gonna need is a bucket. But I think this is a cat, right? Come on, kitty. Kitty. Don't go. Stop. Please stop. Come on. And see how much wood I got. Yes, that is so much goddamn wood. And also I have hay bales, so I don't have to worry about food, I don't have to worry about buildings. And I do want to strip this wood off too, but that would mess with the beautiness of their houses, so I'm letting it go. And also there is one thing that I really want to do but I can't do, which is killing this stone golem for iron. But I can't kill it since I have tried this on creative, and it took me like what, 50 hits to kill this stone golem under certain conditions. No, under my only weaponry that I have got. So I still need an upgrade now. Only my legs are remaining. I think that is pretty much dope thing, and I really want to explore this area, but I'm afraid that I think it's much more deep than it looks, and I'm not really sure whether I should accept it or not. Oh my god, look, there's a creeper. I think it's too much risky, and we already have enough resources, so I think we should move on. Thank you, villagers, for letting me stay here. Hope you have a nice. I want to build a house around beach. And by the way, guys, let me tell you a secret. This guy's been. Wait, let me show you guys. I have been strolling his bed for the last 3 or 4 days, and I think he's been so sleep deprived. Oh, god damn it. I need to go and sleep. No, I'm gonna save that. Come on. Die. Yes. Now. Yeah, boy. That's some skill, man. By the way, I'm gonna steal your place. I'm not gonna hit you because I will definitely die if I hit you. So Good night, man. You get to sleep outside. Of food to eat. I got 12 bread and I cooked chicken and I cooked mutton, beef, pork chop, apples, berries, and I haven't killed any of the animals. That was previous episode. The meat was from previous episode. So goodbye, village. I'm gonna miss you. Bye bye. I have once again resumed my video near village to show you guys something. These flowers are so cool. I think these are used for decoration, so I'm not gonna use that for now. But I'm gonna use some flowers when I'm gonna decorate my house. Yeah, blue flowers. I like the color blue. Sunflowers. I think these are sunflowers. Yeah, guys, I want to show you something. See this log, guys. I think the log is floating on water. It is reminding me of the Titanic scene where the Jack lets go of that wood for Rose. Yeah, it's giving me that scene. Cautious editor, please play the Titanic music. More than any other, like 3527, that many kinds of different fishes. Now that's epic. And also I might have to cross like 2 or 3 biomes in order to get to the ocean biome. I think that's the issue. Yeah. You see, there are red flowers. Yes, that's pretty epic, by the way. So yeah, guys, I'm currently gonna cross another biome. Those are gonna be swamplands, and look at the. I think there's a slime over there, right? That's pretty cool. Love of God, I beg you, stop raining, so that the stupid die. Please die. Yeah, guys, I reduced the hair distance and now fighting them from a safe distance. Die, please die. I think this method was great for zombies, but I don't think that it works for creepers since I have tried this method before and see what damage happened. So I'm free right now and I'm gonna go and explore that village right now. So yeah, guys, I'm at village right now and I think there are different kinds of villages. Yeah, you see that iron golem there, and we have some cows and pigs and normal villagers. And I think that our villagers are villagers spawn differently because this spawn is completely random. So let me gather some materials. They will have a big chest, right? I think it's called a barrel. Yes, that's it. I'm mainly focused on finding a house, so I'm not gonna loot this village yet. So we have found a village, guys. Our another goal is if it's near the ocean or not. That's the goal of today's episode. Finding a nice place for my house to build. Yeah, let's loot some villagers, but be careful, so I should not kill them. Hi there, Stone Golem, how are you? Should I take the hay bales? No, I already have too much hay bales. Wait a minute, what the? Yeah, so that's iron. Wow. I think we will be pretty lucky if there is an ocean nearby, since we already have a cave and we have villages. Yeah, this waste, die. No, this is not the chest. I want your mid things, guys. Guys, tell me where it is. Yeah, I can keep a secret. You can tell me. Wait, you want it? Wait, is that the place where you keep all your secret items? Is that the place? Yeah, thank you. Let me go and check. Yes, there's a chest down here. Let me see what it is. Wow, it has so much bread. And apples. I'll take those apples. Thank you, man. You saved me from life of hunger. Thank you. Thank you very much, villager. And I'm gonna remember the coordinates for now. Yes, those are the coordinates. And I'm gonna go straight forward since this river leads straight forward. And we're gonna see whether this connects to ocean or not. Wow, guys. I don't know whether this can be called cheating, but I think this Minecraft seed is very lucky for me, because see, there's a village right there, right? And I just took a few steps and oh my god, that's a flipping ocean. Yes, we did it, guys. That's the official win for us. So I think I'm gonna build my place here and there. And also guys, I got to tell you something. When you walk past by caves, right, sorry, when you walk right past by caves, you can hear some sort of noises, and that's the way you can hear whether these are caves or just some stupid holes. And that's the horse that I'm gonna ride on when I build a house. Yes. Minecraft just got a little bit peaceful, so let me just make a state. Yeah, wow. Guys, we have found the objective and we have completed the objective of today's video, which is finding a nice place for house besides the village. And I think you can see the village there, right? Yes, that little shadow. And we have some chicken and sheep and horses and pigs. I think this is the great spot. Wait a minute, let me show you guys the most best view right now. There, see there, yeah, that's very so cool and awesome. I think the Minecraft world is round, right? Yeah, I think there's a sand island right there, right guys? So that's the view of today's episode here. And if you like this episode, please do leave a like and comment. Yeah, in that way I can know whether you guys are liking my videos and whether if there is any kind of improvement that I need to make. And thank you for